Welcome back friend, this is our ninth class and this class is all about the engine system. Although this chapter is not so important, but the reason behind introducing this chapter is that when I became third engineer, that time I came to know that the engine is not made as a whole and sole unit, but it is a collection of various other systems. So that's why, keeping in the view of junior engineers, I introduced this chapter in the ME Engine Mastery program. This session is going to be very short. So without delay, let's get started. Learning objective. In this lecture, we will understand that a engine is made by not only one system, but it is a collection of various type of different system. We will see the example of car engine and then we will see the marine engine system. Now we are going to discuss about the ME engine management system. As I told you before that ME engine is made up of various type of other systems as well. So here my intention is to show you that what all other type of systems are there in the ME engine. Safety system, lever system, ECS, that is engine control system, alarm and monitoring system, jacket water system, hydraulic system. Here I have given few examples. Some more systems are also there, about which I have already discussed in our class number 7, that belong to EICU, ECU, CCU. Among all these systems, main system is this engine control system. This is also considered to be a brain of the engine. This ECS has a little influence over other system as well. For example, this ECS controls jacket water system also through the CWCU and hydraulic system through the ACU and lever system also. Although they are different system altogether, but some part of the system is being controlled by the engine control system as well. Okay, now next important system is safety system, and it has also influence over the engine control system. That means when it generates slow and shutdown signal, then it directly gives to engine control system and engine control system finally executes the order. Now we are going to see the function of some important systems. So first is engine control system. Major jobs are starting and stopping of engine, combustion control, exhaust valve open close, RPM control, lubrication. Next, engine safety system. Monitor all critical parameters of engine, generates shut and slow down. Remote system. Facilitate remote operation and maneuvering of the engine. AMS. Monitor various other parameters of engine which are not very important and generates alarm. Sometimes it linked with the safety system also. For example, exhaust gas deviation, a squeeze air high temperature, fuel oil high temperature. That means sometimes this sort of alarms also goes to the safety system and safety system takes action accordingly. Now we are going to discuss about the car engine system. Here you can see that this is a motherboard, and this motherboard is called the engine control module. In short form we can say ECM, also named as the engine control unit, ECU. This unit is a part of engine control system. Okay, now we are going to see in detail. This is the ECM, that is the module about which we have just discussed, and this module gets various inputs and also operates various parts as its output. For example, here it's get input from battery, detonator sensor, cam angle sensor, crank angle sensor, coolant temperature, and as a output throttle valve, air control valve, ignition coil, spark plug, injector, solenoid valve, and last air conditioning. So you can see here one unit just a one simple motherboard is getting various inputs and also controlling various output. This is called the engine control unit, and basically this unit is the brain part of the car, and if this get damaged, the car cannot be started. Now going to elaborate the same thing in a different way. For example, this is a car, and this car has an engine control system which includes fuel injection, integrated governor, tacho system, RPM control. Next is engine protection system, lube oil pressure temperature monitoring, jacket water temperature monitoring, battery potential, exhaust temperature monitoring, check engine warning, and some additional monitoring, for example high speed, handbrake is engaged, door is open, etc. Other systems are car security system, that is called the central locking system. Another one is air condition system. Next one is a speed control mechanism that includes the gear, clutch, accelerator, etc. and these are being controlled by the person itself. Next one is a steering system. This is also controlled by the person itself. And last, some electrical wiring is there for lighting and horn. So all these systems combined together make a complete car. Here my intention was to show you that car, which is just a very small engine, has also a various kind of systems which makes a complete car, that is not built up in a one single unit, that is built up with a various type of different systems. I hope this part is clear. Now next, let's come to marine engine. So far we have seen how the car engine system is designed. Now we are going to see about the marine engine. First we will discuss about the MC engine. MC engine, engine control system. This part is called the engine control system in case of MC engine. This also serves as a safety system in MC engine. This part is called the remote control system. This is the governor system. This is also connected with the engine control system. These are two computers for alarm and monitoring system. In other way, we can say it is also a part of the engine because it handles some alarm related to engine. This is also a part of the engine which generates various bar charts and curve related to combustion characteristics, RPM and other properties. Now we are going to see about the ME engine. The ME engine is also made up of different system. First system is engine control system, which includes MOP and various MPCs, tacho systems, etc. Second system is safety system. This is also a same thing, safety system. Third system is alarm and monitoring system. And fourth system is remote control system. Here I have given few examples. Some more systems are also there, about which we have already discussed several times. Now look at the same thing in little bit elaborated form. The ME engine contains engine control system, which includes various MPCs, tacho system, hydraulic system, pneumatic system, slow and shutdown function. This slow and shutdown function is generated by the engine control system, not by the safety system. The safety systems slow and shutdowns are different. Okay, next is engine protection system, that is also called the safety system. This safety system gets input from various sensors, and on the basis of the signal it generates slow and shutdown signal and sent to the engine control system. Next is alarm and monitoring system. It also gets input from various type of sensors like fuel temperature, start air pressure, exhaust temperature monitoring, axle vibration, etc. These are not so important as far as mechanical part of engine is concerned. Next is remote control system. One part is situated at bridge and another part is situated at engine room, and the signal is sent to the engine control system. Next system is PMI system, which basically does the pressure monitoring. Also it improves the engine performance. In some engine, the PMI is also responsible for generating slowdown signal. Now, all these systems combined together make a complete engine. So, here, similar to the car engine, we can see that ME engine is also designed with the help of various other systems, not by only one system. Please note, in term of AMS, there is not much changes between the MC engine and ME engine. All alarm handling is almost same. We have comprehended finally that the engine is built up with the help of various type of systems. Every system has their own function. All systems work together for entire engine and make it complete. So that was all about the engine system. I am winding up here only. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.